Are you looking to track your time more efficiently right inside Asana without jumping between tabs and tools? Today, I'll walk you through how to seamlessly integrate Clockify with Asana so you can log your hours on tasks with just a single click. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a completely streamlined setup for time tracking, perfect whether you're a freelancer, a project manager, or part of a larger team. Let's dive in and get started right away. First, we're going to create a Clockify account. Head to the Clockify website, and if you're new, signing up is quick and totally free. Just enter your email, set up a password, and confirm that you're good to go. If you already have an account, then of course just log in as usual. Having a Clockify account is essential because it's the hub where all your tracked time gets stored and organized. Think of it as setting up the digital foundation for your time management workflow. Next, it's time to install the browser extension. This step is key to bridging Clockify and Asana, and trust me, it makes the whole process as smooth as butter. Visit your browser's extension store, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or even Microsoft Edge, and search for the Clockify Time Tracker. With a simple click, you'll add the extension to your browser's toolbar, usually up by the address bar. The extension is lightweight, doesn't slow anything down, and you don't need any coding knowledge or tech skills to install it. Small tip: if you run into a prompt asking for permission, just confirm, as this lets the extension do its time tracking magic inside other web apps, like Asana. Once the extension is installed, locate its icon in your toolbar. It's typically a little clock. Click it, and you'll get a login prompt. Use your Clockify credentials from earlier and log in. This connects everything up, so your time entries from Asana sync right into your Clockify workspace. If you're juggling multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the right one. Easy to forget, but important for keeping your clients and projects neatly separated. Now, for the real magic. Enabling Asana integration inside the Clockify extension. Open up the extension's settings, which is usually a hamburger menu or sometimes a tiny gear icon. Scan for the integrations section. You might see a bunch of other apps, but look for Asana. Make sure the toggle or checkbox for Asana is enabled. This is what allows Clockify to insert itself into Asana's interface. If you've ever tried to manually track time, you know how much of a game changer it is to have this built right into your task view. Okay, let's move over to Asana itself and see the integration in action. Open any project and select a task. Within the task details, you'll now notice a Start Timer button or a Clockify icon, usually near the description or subtasks area. If you don't see it immediately, give it a quick refresh or double-check that you're logged into both Asana and Clockify. When you're ready to work on a task, simply click this timer button. The extension automatically grabs the task's name and project and starts tracking your time. No need to type in details or switch tabs. The integration pulls it all together for you. Imagine working through your to-do list, and with each click you're building a precise timesheet in Clockify, all without ever leaving Asana. At any point, if you need a break or you're moving to another task, just click to stop the timer. You can do this right in Asana or, if you prefer, in the Clockify app. Everything you track is instantly synced to your Clockify account, letting you review, edit, or export your work hours whenever the need arises. And that's it. You've now set up a powerful, seamless way to track your time inside Asana using Clockify. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button and let me know any questions or experiences in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Subscribe if you want more straightforward tutorials on productivity apps and integrations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.